Sharks may star in the bloodiest blockbuster, and spiders tend to monopolize the phobia department. But when you get down to the facts, neither of these creatures are even close to being the scariest to stake the planet. So in this video, we are going to discuss the world's top 5 dangerous animal which we have classified on the numbers of deaths caused per year. So you're watching Know the Fact, and let's begin. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then do subscribe so that we can reach our aim of 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So now let's begin. So the fifth animal in our list is black mamba. Though species like boomslang or the king cobra are dangerous, thanks to their respective poison, the black mamba is especially deadly due to its speed. This species is the fastest of all snakes, with speed up to 12.5 miles per hour, which makes escaping one in remote area that is much more difficult. Thankfully, black mambas usually only strike when they are threatened, but when they do, they will bite repeatedly, delivering enough venom in a snake bite to kill 10 people. And if one doesn't receive the correlative antivenom within 20 minutes, the bite is almost 100% fatal. We could find black mamba in eastern Africa and the rocky part of southern Africa. So the fourth in our list is saltwater crocodile. Florida's alligator may be scary, but they have nothing on their cousins. The fearsome crocodile, which is more short-tempered, easily provoked and aggressive toward anything that crosses its path. Of all the species in the world, the largest and most dangerous is the saltwater crocodile. This ferocious killer can grow up to 23 feet in length, weigh more than a ton, and are known to kill hundreds each year, with crocodiles as a whole responsible for more human fatalities annually than sharks. Saltwater crocodiles are especially dangerous as they're excellent swimmers in both salt and fresh water, and they can strike quickly with a bite delivering 3,700 pounds per square inch of pressure. We could find saltwater crocodile in the Indo-Pacific region ranging from India to Vietnam and all the way back to northern Australia. So the third in our list is testis fly. Often regarded as the world's most dangerous fly, the testis fly, a small species of insect that measures between 8 to 17 mm or about the same size as an average housefly. It is commonly found in sub-Saharan Africa, especially in the countries which are located in central of Africa. While the flies themselves are nasty blood-sucking bugs that usually feed during the peak warm hours, the true terror lies in the protozoan parasites that are known as trypanosomes. These microorganism pathogens are the causative agent of African sleeping sickness, a disease marked by neurological symptoms including behavior change, poor coordination, as well as the disturbance in sleeping cycle that keep the illness its mean. It can cause death if left untreated. While there are no vaccine or medicine available to prevent this infection, methods of protection include wearing neutral colored clothes, avoiding buses during the day, and using permethrin treated gears in most remote areas. We can find testis fly in Sudan and the Democratic of Congo and Angola. So the second in our list is mosquito, clocking in just 3 mm at their smallest. The common mosquito, even tinier than the testis fly, ranks as the second most dangerous in our list due to the sheer amount of death each year attributed to the various pathogens carried by several of more than 3,000 species around the world. The irritating insect, primarily those from the genera yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and the Zika virus, which collectively affect an estimated 700 million and kill roughly 725,000 people each year. As the World Health Organization notes, more than half of the human population is currently at a risk of mosquito-borne disease. So the first in our list is we, that is human. Surprised? After all, we are animals too. And since we have been killing each other for 10,000 years, with the total deaths from a war alone estimated at between 150 million to 1 billion. It is not brainer that we top the list, though human beings are said to be living in the most peaceful period now than any other time in past history. We are dangerous to other animals too. Think global warming, the destruction of forests, and the coral reef and over-tourism give the threat we pose to countless other creatures, and the fact that we often act irrationally and have the capacity to live alone in the planet Earth. It is horrifying. We have also developed deadly weapons like nuclear devices and genetically modified sub-bugs We are squarely at the top of our list with all the reasons which I have discussed just. Hope in the next few years we just came down from this list and don't top this list. Hope you enjoyed the video and gained lots of information. If you did, hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel. Also the links of our social media platforms are given in the description. Do check them out once. Thanks for watching.